Okay, so I saw in the comments someone wants to know how to remove the white housing under here. So first what you want to do is, got me a flathead, and I'm going to take this off, and then I'll show you what it's going to look like with it off. Be right back. Okay, so someone asked me how to remove this piece, the white homing piece to the interior lights. So this piece, you really don't want to take it out. But then again, if it's like chipped and broken, you just want to replace it, then you might as well just go ahead and break it off, because it's actually held in up there as well as all the way around. And if you ain't careful, you can break something else. So I'm gonna do the next best thing. We're gonna replace this cord. And the buttons, those are super easy. All you do is pull them towards you and they come out. Now let's see something. Yeah, all you do is pull them towards you. For some reason it's like really blurry. So the buttons, all you do is pull them towards you. And the top, all you do, well, first you take the bulb out and you just pull the top out. Simple as that. And the clip is right there on the side. You just unhook that clip, pull the buttons out, take the light bulbs out, which these I ain't going to take out because they were really hard to put in, and just pull these out as well. And you're done. All you have to do is put the cord back through. I wouldn't change this unless you absolutely had to, just so you don't snap anything like right here or up here. It is very common for it to snap right here. It's very thin, and it's when you do it, you'll be able to see an indentation all the way through. It does not look good. It ends up hanging down. Best thing to do is switch the cords. I do not recommend trying to take this whole thing out. Yeah, just switch the cords. And to put these back in, they actually have a little groove, which I'll show you real quick. Why is it so blurry? Okay, hold on just a sec. Okay, so they actually have like a little groove, and you just push them in. Push them in there, and then you're good to go. But yeah, like I said, I would not recommend changing the whole white piece. You can if you want. It's a complicated thing to do. Like I said, would not recommend it, because once you snap that piece, you're pretty much fucked unless you get a new one. Part of my language on that. But okay, so once you get it in there, just put that back up to there, push it in, snaps, and you're good to go. I hope this video helped anybody. I know I had a comment asking how to remove it. I would remove everything around it before I actually removed that piece. So if this video did help, please leave a like. Tongue twisted. Please leave a like. Subscribe to the channel. God, I can't talk today. But anyways, have a good one.